Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine, very good. I am also fine. So, what is day today? Today is 22nd January 2021. What is day today? 22nd January 2021. What is day today? Today is Friday. All of you say today is Friday. Very good. Now, our subject is art integration. आज हम क्या करेंगे? आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. So in art integration we will make Indian tricolor badge. क्या बनाएंगे आज हम? Indian tricolor badge. Why? Because on Tuesday, on 26th January, we all will celebrate Republic Day. Okay? So in our flag we can see three different color. One, the top one is saffron and white and then green, and in the middle we can see navy blue color. So can you see this? What is this? This is a badge. What is this? Badge. So what you have to do? I will tell you how you will make this badge. First you have to make this badge and then you have to put on your shirt here. Then you ask your mama, she will take your photograph and then send it to me. Fine? So you want to make this? Yes? Very good. Let's start. Color badge. You need three different colors. This one, green, white and this saffron color. And see, look here. Can you see the size of these three sheets? All size are same in a rectangle shape. Can you see the shape? This green is in rectangle shape, this green is also in rectangle shape, and this saffron is also in rectangle shape. So three sheets equal shape in rectangular shape we need. Fine. And then you need this kind of paper. You have to ask your parents. They will cut the strip like this in green color, in white color and in saffron color like this. Fine. And one small circle, this blue, you have to take out. Ask your parents, because while using the scissor you should be very careful. Okay, so take help of your parents while doing this activity. So first of all, what you have to do, I am going to take this white green paper first and I am going to make a fan. I will fold the paper in this way. जैसे आप फैन बनाते हो ना, एक बार आपको मैम ने फैन भी बनाना सिखाया था, फोल्ड करते हो जब पेपर्स को, इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू फोल्ड द पेपर. फाइन. एंड देन fold it again like this, and then again this side. So in this way you will fold the paper. Fine. And then from this side again you will fold it like this. And press it. Fine. And then you have to paste this part. इस हिस्से को आप पेस्ट कर दोगे with the help of Fevicol. Fine. And after this let it to be dry. In the same way we will make this kind of flag with this white paper and with this orange one, saffron one. Fine. So again you will fold it. Easily you can fold it by yourself. Don't take help of your parents while folding this paper. Okay, do it by yourself. But while using the scissor, take help of your parents. Now look here. Can you see this white paper and then saffron? After this, fold this paper in this way. And then you have to use Fevicol to paste this sheet. And in the same way, you will fold it, this saffron sheet also, and then paste it. So students, here you can see one green paper, one saffron, and I have taken two white papers. It is optional, you can take one also. Now I am going to paste with this white one, you have to put Fevicol on this side and then paste orange sheet, and then put Fevicol on this side and then paste green sheet, and then you have to paste here Fevicol and here also, and then paste this white sheet. Okay, do it. Start. You will open this part and paste these white sheet and this orange one. Okay, these two parts you have to paste. Okay, after this I'm going to put this blue color in the middle of this batch. You have to paste this also. After this you have to put orange saffron part to be upper side, and in the middle you can see the white one, and at the bottom you have to take green part. After that these strips you have to paste in this way. Fine. Green, white and then orange. After this you can draw lines in this blue part also. So this is a Indian tricolor batch. Try to make this batch, and you have to put on your shoulder and then click the photograph, send it to me. ठीक है, आप क्या करोगे, एक ऐसा बैच बनाना, उसको अपने शर्ट पे लगाना, फोटो क्लिक करना और मैम को सेंड करके भेजना. ठीक है. ओके, गुड बाय, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.